Hi, today I'm going to show you how UiPath can be used to extract information from a paper-based invoice and update that into Dynamics 365 for finance and operations, and also update Dynamics 365 for customer service to update the vendor information. So let's take a look. Here's the paper-based invoice we just received, and we have taken this workflow and updated that into UiPath. So let's play this recording. The first step this is going to do is to read this paper-based invoice and extract the information into UiPath. Then it's going to log into Dynamics 365 for finance and operations and automate the process of logging in. Once it's logged in, it's going to click on purchase order preparation and click the new purchase order. And it's going to take the extracted information from the paper-based invoice and update the header for the purchase order, and then go ahead and lead the line items for the extracted information and update each one of those line items. As you can notice, it's doing that faster than I could have done with my keyboards, but it's also more precise and accurate in making these updates. One of the key things with UiPath is I can do all this automation without writing a single line of code. I point and click, drag and drop my mouse to be able to create this workflow to take all this information that I've extracted from that paper invoice and update this into Dynamics 365. So that's almost done entering all this information about the line items. It's going to save that invoice and copy that invoice number, that the purchase order number that it is created, so that it can go and update Dynamics 365 for customer service. So when the vendor calls the customer service representative to ask the status of the invoice that they had submitted, the customer service reps will have the latest and greatest information about the latest invoice. So I'm logging into the vendor's record into Dynamics 365 for customer service. As you can see, once we've taken that information, we update the note and we say the invoice is processed, and process invoice with the amount, and the total is updated into the notes. So with this information, now the customer service representatives also have the latest information that is updated into this. Thank you for watching.